You see,
so what?
what I want to ask is, why is the Congress so jealous about the BJP?
We are not jealous.
What we do is our own internal matter. Whom we make the Prime Minister, who is going to be our leader, how autocratic we are, what is our perception. Let them set their house in order. Today Congress is in disarray. They have no workers.
My dear brother,
they are renting crowds. They are renting voting contractors. Today, one big voting contractor is Vijay Sardesai. You see, Congress,
voting contractor.
You have a housing contractor. I want to build a house. I have a housing contractor. So now I want to win an election. So I have appointed a voting contractor.
The concept.
Voting contractor किती पैसे घेता, मुंशांग हाडटा आणि campaign चोरयता. So
this
is a voting contractor. So now in the last assembly elections, the same issues took place. Communalism, secularism. Yet the people of Goa voted for the BJP. A large number of minorities.
Is well known to the people of Goa. His conscience was sold in private. Now he's made it public.
So
he said, "What? So what, Hitler?" So if you say "so what, Hitler,"
I will have
giving the correct message.
I will have. That's my perception.
Hitler shy.
There is no Hitler shy.
1 minute. 1 minute.
In our
idea why Congress has raised up. BJP has been always termed as communal, not by the Catholics. All the UPA constituting leaders are Hindus. They are calling therefore I am trying to tell you, it has got nothing to do with Hindu or Catholic. It is the freedom of conscience that is being suppressed, and that is being
that is how Congress thrives, no? How Congress thrives by causing, bringing this seed, sowing the seed.
And you want to try.
You see, that is why they are thriving. When they have nothing, election time, they have communalism. When there is no other chance. So people are not fools.
People are definitely not
fools.
So you want to thrive by bringing dictatorship.
No, so what?
See, because Trajan is saying that आमचे BJP communal the people will not accept. People from India, all over India, I'm talking about, forget Goa, will give us clear majority. We will not even want to have one person as an MP from outside. 272 seats will be won by NDA BJP together. So where is the communalism?
They are not deciding. I told you, Hitler ruled for 12 years, Mussolini ruled for 18 years.
So no. Now people of India are going to vote. People of India are going to vote.
That was dictatorship. Dictatorship.
Hitler came into power by getting into
dictatorship. You see, how Hitler was a dictator. Here it is democracy. You are terming it as dictatorship.
No, Hitler first came to a democracy. That became a dictator. And that is Modi has already become dictator. Before getting elected.
प्रतिमा म्हाका एक गजाल सांग आता गोंया भितर फाटली 2 वर्सां भितर मनोहर पर्रीकराची सरकार आहा कळ्ळें देर आर मेनी पीपल हू आर accusing Manohar Parrikar of minority appeasement because of some of his decisions that he wants to swing minorities towards himself, that's why he's taking certain kind of decisions. अशी परिस्थिती भितर how are you going to convince minorities in Goa that Manohar Parrikar government is communal?
अरे हांव तुका कितें सांगता लास्ट टाइम 34% लोकांनी घातले तांकां वोट घातले जालें पूण आतां लोकांक कोडून आयिल्ले आसा मो इश्यूचेर इतलो व्हडलो बोर्ड केल्लो ते ओल्ड वायन इन द न्यू बॉटल केल्ली आसा म्हाका नाका म्हणटालो तो कोंकणी आमकां नाका इंग्लीश भास आमकां जाय माय भास आयज कितें जालें आयज कित्याक इंग्लीश भास जाय जाली बरें कसिनो नाका म्हणटालो आतां आनी कसिनो कशे हाडून घेतले आतां कोणी लायसन दिले
अपीजमेंट म्हणटा पळय तो तेंच चलना टू सप्रेस द वॉइस ऑफ द कॉन्शियन्स तुका क्रम दिता आणि कशें दबायता whole Goa knows whether I am speaking the truth or they are speaking the lie. One minute. All the schemes that are given, all the people are being threatened. If I am speaking the truth or they are speaking the lie, the people of Goa.
Let one person who has availed the scheme come and say that I am being threatened.
It's a public
I want to challenge.
How can anybody threaten?
Nobody at Congress together over here that one person in Goa let him come and say that we are being threatened. Directly or indirectly. These schemes are given for the welfare of the people and not corruption what Congress has done. आम्ही लोकांना दिले पैसे काँग्रेसीन करप्शन केले त्या पैशांचे
तो अमित शाह म्हणटा तो नरेंद्र मोदीचो राइट हैंड म्हणून वता यूपीत त्याने एक स्पीचान डायरेक्ट सांगले कितें हमको रिवेंज लेना है मुजफ्फर राइट्स पे और गोधरा राइट्स पे हम लोग उसका बदला लेंगे दिस इज नॉट अ कम्युनल
कितें रॉंग जाले हुई बॉम्ब जालो कितें राइट जाले आमका
ते धरले मरे
ओके
they were proved no
राजन बाब
two groups are fighting
प्रबोध लेट मी टॉक राव आता तो राम सेनेचो मुत्तलिक आसा तो लीडर ही इज नॉट आरएसएस पर्सन
आमी स्टॉप केला
ताका अरे राव कर्नाटका मुत्तलिकाक घेतिल्लो भितर 5 वरां उपरांत ताचे होल्डर दवरला ताका काडूना कित्याक हे भिले मायनॉरिटी मागीर वतले म्हणून तोच मुत्तलिक मरे आमचे काँग्रेस आमचे कॅथलिक्सांचे कितें आसा सेंट व्हॅलेंटाईन म्हणटा तो ताणें मेसेज दिल्ली की यू हॅव टू लव सो 14 फेब्रुवारी इज अ व्हॅलेंटाईन डे कितें केलें हेणे वचून वो कोण बापूय आवय आमकां आवय बापूय ना and he's kept on hold.
Okay, let him reply.
You see, very simple. As Michael Baab has said, anything that happens, whether it's riots, whether it's trouble, or whether it's issues like this,
I can give you examples.
BJP is a political party. It is a secular party. You read the constitution of the BJP, how it was founded and how it is propagating its message to everybody.
But she is saying these are the elements.
These are not the elements. These are not the elements. Ram is not the element of BJP. No.
Let us understand.
So what is happening is even in places like Karnataka, here, there, when these issues have taken place, everybody was blaming the BJP.
And BJP
disassociated with them. They said no. Now Ram Sene is not part of BJP.
Why they
which is why our chief minister.
Why they taken them?
Very clearly mentioned that
ताका हिस्ट्री खबर नाशिल्ली तांकां राम मुत्तलिकाची हिस्ट्री खबर नाशिल्ली घेतली की मागीर 5 वरां पडली व्हाट आर टॉकिंग मॅन
Rajan Bab, tell me one thing. Michael has given you an open challenge. Get me a one person who says that I have been threatened because of giving schemes and he will personally intervene.
What Michael?
It's an open challenge to you.
What Michael has admitted that nobody will say that only proves that a dictatorship has. 1 minute. 1 minute. We are in
I don't agree with
debate.
your point.
Why are you laughing? I am in a public debate. He has said that. I am saying this. The people of Goa know whether they are threatened or not. In China, nobody puts a dissent. In Gujarat, nobody is putting a dissent. You see, when dissent is not there, it very clearly gives a message dictatorship has taken grip. Even the Congress, which is a well-known fact, even the Congress people today are afraid of taking him on. This is a fact.
Okay,
a political leader is taking on. Can this fact be hidden?
So why has the Congress become politically important?
1 minute, let me finish. Why that you talk?
See,
so when the fact of Congress, when leaders are afraid, that means dictatorship has taken grip.
Okay.
Number one. Number two, she's all the time saying that Avertan is not a BJP MLA.
He's an independent MLA. He's an independent MLA.
Please understand.
Okay.
She has slightly pointed out. He would not be made a minister.
Why not?
I'm talking about a BJP MLA. Don't tell me about Avertan. Avertan is independent.
Openly.
Leadership decides. Leadership decides. What is best for the people of
That is what I'm saying. Congress is suppressed.
Rajan Bab,
Congress is suppressed, not conscience.
Our party knows who has to be made minister and where.
We know that.
Okay, एक minute.
We are not interested in that.
So Congress is getting suppressed.
Wait. To me, secularism
Rajan Bab, tell me one thing.
Secularism has been kept afloat in India by the secular Hindus.
Okay, but
Rajan Bab, in Karnataka, who are not Catholics, who call BJP.
Rajan Bab,
so don't get that Catholic and Hindu and Muslim.
Rajan Bab,
Congress people who are calling them.
Oh, one minute.
Okay. Rajan Bab, Hindu, my time is over. My time is over. No, my time is over. Just tell me one thing. तुम्ही तांचेर कम्युनलिझमाचा आरोप करतात. सगळे आरोप करतात. When church issues a statement, okay, specifically indicating that this is the person who is good or who is bad. Church is a religious body.
Indication you are taking. Church has given no indication. You are drawing inferences from the church is circular. The church is circular is secularism. And again, I'm telling you, secularism means the freedom of conscience.
And you are standing with the church.
Freedom of conscience. I'm standing
with the church.
Church has clearly said that vote for a person who is secular. They never said that this party is secular or that party is secular. They are saying that we are communal.
We are not saying.
Church is not saying. Church munana. काँग्रेस गेली 10 वर्षां हेच म्हणटा आणि करप्शन चालू केलेलं.
Church has given no indication, but church has said secularism, and secularism means freedom of conscience.
Okay, and freedom of conscience means BJP.
The very fact, and they have said the whole thing is going as per one leader.
2012 election झाली last. तेन्नाय church has got the right to guide the faithful. Don't get church and make controversy. 2012 also, church had given a statement, said in the sermons, saying that vote against corruption. तेन्ना हे कॉले अशे बीजेपी कित्याक न्ही दिले, तेन्ना कित्याक ते दाडे मारताले. That time why they were numb and why they didn't speak. And now when the church has said vote for a secular हे म्हणल्यार तुमकां कित्याक दुखले, तुमचे कित्याक कॅम्पेन बंद जाली, तुमचे कॅम्पेन्स
आमकां खंय दुखला.
बरं ऐकाय कम्युनली
we are happy with the statement of the church because we respect that statement.
पण तुमच्या हर मोदी करता कम्युनल तुम्ही हर शंकरा म्हणून ऐकले हांवें. ही इज लॉर्ड शंकरा. तुम्ही मोदीक देव करून
somebody in India said
okay म्हाका फायनल सांगात. will you be able to, with all these allegations,
yes,
and with all this history also, will you, and now that you are talking development,
yes,
तुमकां दिसता की खंय तरी लोकांचो जो एक इम्प्रेशन आसा कम्युनलिझमाचे ते तुम्ही पुसपाक शकतले?
कसले कम्युनलिझम
कांयच
ना. That is imaginary.
You see
that
our
is imaginary.
for the last forget India. गोंया आमचे हे 2 वर्सांचे रुलींग तू आमकां दाखय हुंय आमी कम्युनलिझम केला, हुंय आमी डिफरन्सीस केले
Today the priests are supporting BJP.
Okay.
The church is supporting BJP.
Priests have never said vote for Congress or vote for BJP. This is a wrong statement.
No, it's not the wrong statement.
Church has never said vote for BJP.
1 minute. You give me just 1 minute. People of Goa have decided irrespective of religion, community, caste system to vote for BJP.
Okay.
And that vote is going to be the vote where
these two
MPs
have
will go
lost
to Delhi.
the sense of their conscience. Any eyes they don't see.
सगळे टाइम सोपला. कितलो हे जाऊ हा टाइम वाडोवपाक शकना. इतल्याचेर हांव थांबता. प्रतिमा, माय टाइम इज ओवर. खूप डिस्कशन झाला आणि म्हाका कांयच सांगपाची गरज ना. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.